Good afternoon, I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Jacob. If you don't know who I am, go ahead and consider subscribing. I do weekly videos. I try to do at least two, one mainly review and the other one being a vlog style video, either project work or some sort of vlog style. So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and purchase a nice toolbox, I guess. It's gonna be for my detail stuff. So I need to be able to have some cabinet kind of style. So we're gonna go ahead and head out to a place over here in Fresno called Harbor Freight. I've looked into Home Depot, Lowe's, Sears, a couple different places, and obviously Amazon and stuff like that. But I have not been able to find what I'm looking for. I did see one online at Harbor Freight. We're gonna go ahead and look at it in person. So before we get into that, we're actually waiting for Estrella to get in here. She's in the house. I'm waiting for her to get out. I'm rocking California shirt right here. Make sure you guys go check them out. They're supporting me, so I'm supporting them. And if you do decide to purchase anything, use my code JACOBS20, link in the description as always, and go ahead and support them again because they're supporting me. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and wait for her to get in, and we'll go ahead and head out.
Yeah, we'll have it out there. Go ahead and grab the new one. Alright, you guys have a good one.
Thank you, appreciate it. As you guys saw, that line was huge, and luckily the sales lady there helped me out, and she actually put me all the way in the front because I was actually looking at getting the side cabinet that you guys saw, the longer red one, and as well as the Yukon actual toolbox that I got. That one they actually had in stock. Luckily, I got the last one basically, and I'm really appreciative because I would have been waiting there for probably an hour or so. So I actually went in and out, and they hooked me up. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab some grub. We're at In-N-Out over here in Fresno. So we're gonna go ahead and get some food and head back home. All right guys, so now we're back home and here it is. We're gonna go ahead and open her up and take a look at it. So I'm guessing this right here, take a look. Yep, these are all the wheels right here. Got all four of them right here. And then I'm guessing these are the bottom piece shelves. So this is what we got. Okay, so for the top, I'm gonna go ahead and put the blower and the polisher and some other items like that. Probably the pads and everything on one side and a couple brushes and stuff like that. And then on the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and be able to put gallons. The gallon soap and whatnot. Okay guys, so for the side door right here, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and actually put some of those bottles of soap, just the ones I use most commonly. I can go ahead and actually attach it. It comes with the attachment, so I can go ahead and just attach it to whatever side I want. So I'll probably go ahead and put like the wax ones right here or something, you know, in the regular soap over there. We're gonna go ahead and decide that once we actually have everything situated. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Alright guys, so here it is. It's just parked right here. Put the brakes on, and we have the gallon soap and this gasoline for this generator right here. But we have all the detail stuff that I used to keep in these boxes right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually move it into the new toolbox once I get back from work. So during the week I actually work out of town and then I come back during the weekend. So for you guys it's gonna be like a second, but for me it's gonna be a whole entire week. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Alright, what's up guys? So we're finally back. It's been a week for me, basically an entire week. So we're gonna go ahead and move this stuff. We wanna go ahead and actually put it against the wall. That's where I'm gonna put all my detail stuff. We need to move all this junk back into the attic. The stuff was all in the attic, but because seasons are changing, everything's getting decorated inside the house. So without further ado, let's go ahead and move all this stuff. I gotta move my gear and everything, but we'll get it done.
Call him back, girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder.
Alright guys, in case you guys were wondering what this is part of the 370Z after I got into that wreck. So I kept it. I'm probably gonna end up hanging it eventually. That was the plan of keeping it. I made a story time video about that wreck, so go ahead and check it out if you guys haven't. But we still got a couple boxes to move, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done.
It feels right. It feels right.
Alright guys, so here it is. I love how open it is as far as the first drawer. You can actually go ahead and place I'm gonna go ahead and actually place my buffer in here, and then probably a lot of the pads in here. I love it because it comes with a clip attached to it, and all you have to do is go ahead and open one of these, and you have them all right here so you can adjust to wherever you want it. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and put one down here at the bottom. Well, there it is, all it goes in. So then all I need to do is go ahead and actually put the spray bottles in here, and we'll be set to go. So go ahead and just close it and just open it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and actually fill this up with all my stuff that I can fill up right now. I do have a actual cabinet coming in that's gonna be on the end side right here in this little section. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait. And that's where I'm gonna go ahead and actually put my blower that I use to dry the wheels, and then also the buckets and kind of the the bigger, bulkier stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and actually put in that cabinet. But for this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the gallon soaps at the bottom, put the bottle soaps on the side of the doors, put the buffer in here with all the pads on the top. That's probably gonna be my little waxing section right there. And all the microfibers will just go in the cabinet as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually pull out all the stuff over here. So I basically have been living out of the boxes, as you guys have seen on my channel. All my stuff's in here. It's just kind of laid out and kind of messy and disorganized, but I'm finally gonna actually clean this up. Thankfully, again, have all my stuff in here, all the pads and everything in there, and I have more boxes. So I'm finally getting this all picked up. Again, I'm gonna get the cabinet that's gonna be right there on this section. Alright guys, so this is a lot of money. That's all I gotta say right now. This is a lot of money, a lot of stuff that I have right here. I can finally go ahead and put it away. Again, I'm gonna have to wait for the buckets and the large amount of microfibers to actually go ahead and put them in a cabinet once I get it. But for now, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and roll the roller bucket right there and actually just move it in there for the time being. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just see if it works. Basically a Hail Mary. This is the blower that I actually used in the review video, the first review video. I think it has like 38,000 views right now. And then I did a 1 year after owning it video, and then during that video, this is the one that actually shot the sparks and smoke and started smoking like crazy, so I threw it out the garage so that way if it's caught fire, it didn't catch anything inside the fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see if it actually works or not, but if it doesn't, I'm just gonna throw it in the trash. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so like Randy from Auto Auction and Rebuilds always says, dead as a doornail. This thing's, oh, fuck! Alright. We're done with that. Alright guys, so there you have it. It looks beautiful. Have all my stuff organized now. Of course, I'm gonna keep growing stuff. I've been trying out the Bosch Auto Care products, and they're amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Again, nothing but love for them. I ordered some more, so I needed some more space. So this is what we have it. Again, you guys know I've been a long time chemical guys person, but again, I wanted to actually expand my knowledge and expand my content to you guys, and just continue to grow and continue to learn more. So again, gonna be growing on their products a lot. So it looks beautiful. This is the best top detailing toolbox that I could find. All the other toolboxes were obviously more for tools, you know, with all these little trays so you can actually go ahead and put all your bolts and nuts and everything you need for tools. Alright guys, so again, I spent about a week looking into different things, different places. I went into a couple Home Depots, I went to a couple Lowe's, I went to a couple Sears, I went to a couple different places, you know, a couple little local places, but I did not find anything. Again, this is the best one I found. I picked it up at Harbor Freight. You can pick it up online if you like it, but I definitely recommend. So without further ado, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. Peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.